100 tons of Japanese gold hidden in Bohol? If you're from Cebu or Lapu-Lapu, you heard this story. But here's what is actually true and what is fake. Yamashita's gold is alleged loot stolen by Japanese forces in World War II, named after General Tomoyuki Yamashita, the last Japanese commander in the Philippines. Japanese troops were stationed in Buaya, in Lapu-Lapu, Danao, Daguhoy, Alicia. There are real World War II tunnels. That's why Lapu-Lapu City stopped issuing digging permits. On May 8, 2026, in Barangay Poblacion, Daguhoy, Bohol, 2 men died and 1 went missing inside a cave after digging 100 meters for treasure. Police said they suffocated. No gold was found. Historians say in 50 years, nobody has found verifiable Yamashita gold. 100 tons? No evidence. Real history? Yes. Don't dig. Don't get scammed.